kind of dead grass.
Supernatural bench.
Beautiful leaves. Annoying bush that will cut you every time you touch it. Terrifying but interesting looking bug. What kind of bug is that?
Tree. Wow, I'm zoomed in. Tree.
Jungle.
Ow! A supernatural swing sweat. What? A supernatural swing sweat. Very dead grass. The only reason it's dead is because of the slip and slide. I can't see anything. Yeah. A rosebud. Redbud. What? A redbud bush. That. Hi! A lot, and I mean a lot more grass. Like, seriously. A lot of grass. Get off me. Patch of dirt surrounded by grass. Don't know why there's dirt here. Will my chickens be quiet? More green grass, but I don't know if you could tell because of the lighting. I quit. The bug died. Chimenea. Why am I so zoomed in? Leaves that look like they just recently fell off of the tree because they're still kind of green, but mostly yellow. Oh, focus, but blue, not blue. Brown. I'm very out of breath because it's like 100 degrees outside and I've been outside for like an hour.
Shoeval and a rake. But a shoeval. Bird feeder. Feeds birds.
What? A path, kind of.
Hey, look what I just found. I just found a geo. From, I can't grab it. From Breaking Rocks with Cam on Addie's channel, but it's really Breaking Rocks with Addie. Here, oh sorry, ignore my nails. I let a 3-year-old do them. Flower.
Driveway.
Ow, my feet hurt. Oh, these rocks are really hot. I'm gonna get off of it. Pebble path. Pebbles. Ow!
No, you're not Tweet. What? You're Sylvester. No, you're not Sylvester either. Woodstock. Hi. It's very dark in here.
It's still moving. I don't know if anybody can tell, but it is moving. That's kind of gross. I don't know if anybody can see it, but it is in there.
Oh, there's a wasp.